Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for collectible coins and currency, business easy and quick. So first, we know that Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here, or if you want to create, so here you can create your website in C templates. So let's get started with this here, C templates. So here you can choose the topic and the type of your business. So the topic from here isn't here the topic, so uh, maybe it's here, collectible coins. Okay 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 the type, maybe it's online store, so might be an online store. That's it. You can choose one of these templates here, or if you want to build your own template. So let's get started from here and let's go. So here you can enter your business name, type any business name for collectible coins business. Here you have to build your home page. Build your home page section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you can choose, you can do anything to make your website better and attractive. So you have to try your best to make it attractive. Also the product section, so all the sections must be an attractive sections. So that's it. Add page to your site, choose the color palette and choose the font. So I'm gonna choose this. That's it. Now let's continue. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe the details about your website, about your business, or if you want to skip from here. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your home page. This is your home page. You can edit it from here if you want to edit. So click here, and the first thing, you can introduce your brand. You can change the text here. So wait. So for example, you can type any text. Welcome to, for example, welcome to our site for collectible coins, coins, a currency or currency business, or without business. So that's it. You can change the text on this button here. For example, shop now. And the background, you can edit this section from here. For example, if you want to go to the background, before we go to the background, you can edit here the row count and the gap, so the fill screen, the height and the alignment. So that's it. Now let's move on to the background. So here you can select just a simple art or if you wanna add the image as a background, so click here and select from library, from free image. So search on collectible coins and currency. Wait, like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. That's it. If you want to add something on your homepage, you can just click here, add section, and select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. If you want to add video or image, menus or forms, whatever you like. You can add something on your section here, text or image or video or button. You can move the section, you can move it down or move it up. You can save it from this search icon, you can duplicate it also here. So what else? Now you can also change the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this, or like a desktop view. So that's it. Now let's move on to the site header. You can edit the site header from here, so you can change the site title. Also you can upload the logo image up as a file or select from library. You can also add the mobile logo image here, the elements. Also you can turn the button on and change the text on this label here, and the language switch. You can turn this on, the style icon, and that's it. Also you can change the style if you don't like the style, and also you can turn this on to fixed position. So that's it. Now if you're done from here, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna continue this video on the second part of this business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the second part of this business and the next video. So that's it.